Dear students, today we shall know about SOP or Statement of Purpose, a writing skill in your syllabus. Children, when you'd passed in 12th exam and seek admission to undergraduate course, you need to write your personal statement or statement of purpose or SOP. Yes, children, statement of purpose is commonly known as SOP. Children, SOP is an essay. This is a very important document in your application. This application is made to a university to seek admission to a particular course or a program. Children, your mark sheet or mark statement or scorecard gives your academic achievement, but this personal statement or statement of purpose gives an idea about your innate qualities or inborn characteristics. Yes, statement of purpose is written in the form of an essay. This describes you as a person. This speaks about your journey of life and the qualities you have nurtured in your life. Children, the SOP gives you an opportunity to show your special qualities which makes you distinct from the other candidates. It explains why you want to join the course, what is your liking, how you have developed your liking, what is the source of your motivation too. SOP asserts how you will be able to achieve your aim. It also explains why you have selected a particular university. The SOP is an entrance or a gateway to your career. As the admission committee judges you or screens the applications on the basis of the SOPs received. Children, your statement of purpose or SOP is the best way to stand out among the many applications that admission committee receives on a daily basis. So, SOP is a very important element to make your application strong. Children, SOP highlights your educational background, achievement, goals, aims and ambitions in your life. Here you share your opinions, why you would like to study your desired program at the university of your choice. So, a statement of purpose or SOP is an important element in the application because it can impact whether you receive a letter of acceptance from the admission committee of the university. The admission team will be reading hundreds of application, children. Your SOP should be strong, clear and concise writing. Please highlight your qualities and life experiences convincingly, which you think are relevant to the course of the program. Children, your SOP should not have any spelling mistake. There should not be any grammatical errors. Sentences you use should be constructed correctly. Please avoid repetitive language. Maintain a positive and confident tone while writing. Children, remember to write SOP in your own words. It is really a creative way to showcase your writing skill too. Children, your statement of purpose exposes your personality outside your academic performance and helps to determine whether you are a suitable candidate for this course or the program in this university. Please let us know about the format of your statement of purpose or SOP. Children, remember the SOPs for undergraduate, postgraduate and doctorate levels would be different. The SOPs differ according to the requirement. The number of words in which an SOP is written is also different for different universities. In your level for seeking admission to undergraduate course, your statement of purpose should be written in around 500 words in 5 or 6 paragraphs within 1.5 page. Children, in the opening paragraph, give a brief introduction of who you are. Mention the program or the course you are applying for. Talk about your personal background, your mental makeup you can mention, and mention your aim in life. The second paragraph speaks about why you wish to join the specific program or the course. Even second paragraph says what motivated you to pursue or follow this program or the course. In the third paragraph, write about your qualities that would be helpful and suitable for your career goal or objective. State how your hobbies and extracurricular activities would be helpful in strengthening your goal. In the fourth paragraph, mention your experience in the field or any internship or project you have done. You can state some information about you which makes you distinct from the other applicants. In the concluding paragraph, state how admission to this particular course would be beneficial, would be helpful to you. You can state here what you hope to achieve with the degree. Here you can outline your next steps very briefly. So children, you can understand how important your SOP is to seek admission for further studies. The admission committee judges you or screens the applications on the basis of the SOPs received. I repeat. So expose your enthusiasm and show your interest for a new chapter in your life. Children, in the closing sentence, please don't forget to thank the admission officers for taking the time to review your application. There are some sample SOPs in your textbook. Please go through them and write your own SOP in your own words. I hope you will enjoy it. So wish you all the best. Thanks for your patient hearing. Here I ended the writing skills of your syllabus. Along with 12th standard writing skill, please practice the writing skills what you have learned in standard 11th and get ready for your HSC final examination. Thank you very much for your patient hearing. Bye. Have a nice time.